As the 2019 iPhone's expected release date of late September rolls ever closer, the number of leaks surrounding Apple's new range have correspondingly risen. Now, leaked CAD renders from Slash Leaks claimed to show off all three models in the new range. The CAD renders show off the basic design of iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11R and are broadly in line with what we have seen from the leaks and the rumors in the last few months. Apple is expected to launch its latest smartphone in the month of September. Besides, the display technology of the three 2019 iPhones is also likely to remain the same. Therefore, the two flagship variants, the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max, will have an OLED touchscreen display, while the iPhone 11R will have an LCD panel. The major distinction that can be observed on the future iPhone models is on the rear panel. In comparison to the 2018's iPhones, all three models will have a square camera module which protrudes slightly above the surface. The upcoming iPhone models will have one additional camera sensor than their 2018 predecessors. Accordingly, iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will have triple cameras, and iPhone 11R will have dual cameras. This supplemental sensor is reported to be a ToF sensor, which is used for collecting depth information. The first model has iPhone 6.5 written on the display. As this probably refers to the screen size, this is most likely to be an iPhone 11 Max with 6.5-inch screen. Like the iPhone 11, the Max model sees the changes from the predecessor around the front, with a hefty notch and slim bezels. The camera module is also similar with a triple lens configuration, arranged in triangular shape. At this time, we are expecting to see the same camera spec as in iPhone 11. The successor to the surprisingly good iPhone XR seems to have 6.1-inch display, like its predecessor, and an identical front design. Like the other phones in 11 range, it's back where we see the biggest change. But unlike the iPhone 11 and 11 Max renders, the iPhone 11R has dual camera setup in the square module. According to these renders, the front of the phone is mostly unchanged from the iPhone XS, with a white notch at the top and minimal bezels around the display. The lighting port still seems to be in place, knocking those USB-C rumors on the head until next year. Text on the display identifies this as iPhone 5.8, which tells us this model will have a 5.8-inch display and is mostly likely the iPhone 11. Distinctively, the affordable iPhone 11R was reported to be launched in two new colors, which include Green and Lavender, which will replace Coral and Blue from last year. All details about the 2019 iPhone will be revealed once they are officially announced at the expected September launch event.